Alexa, bench on. Swimmer.
Cheers.
So Kylie Giles, what's happening this morning?
Sorento Ocean Water Series number 6. 2.5k.
That's a long way.
Well, not as far as Trevor normally swims. How far are you swimming, Trevor?
0.
And why is that?
I've been sick all week, so I've decided not to swim. I'm supposed to swim 10k's this morning, but no show.
I think that's the first time you've actually made a very smart choice.
Well, this is the first time I'm going to go down to an open water swim and I'm not competing. So this is going to be interesting. So the focus this morning is going to be on the champion swimmer, Kylie Giles.
Is that look at my goggles?
That might be uncomfortable to wear like that.
Yeah.
So Kylie Giles, what is your goal time for this morning's 2.5k swim?
Wow.
Nice hat, by the way.
I know. vanGiles Adventures. Subscribe. My PB is 51 minutes flat. I don't think I'm anywhere close to that, given the very severe lack of swimming. So I'm going to say 55 minutes.
Right. What's the weather forecast this morning? Maybe I'll just show that on the screen right now while we're talking.
Absolutely no idea.
Well, it is what it is. You can't change the conditions. So
I'm just hoping that Trevor the Shark is not there.
it's a different Trevor, not me.
Because that will be very unfortunate.
No.
Although then the race will get cancelled, which will also be very unfortunate.
How's your coffee? It was made with love, by the way.
It is very good, thank you. Hopefully it fuels me for my swim.
Good morning.
Say hello to vanGiles channel.
Hi, vanGiles channel.
Hi.
Good morning.
I'll let Rhonda lap me.
Cousin Rhonda,
Yes.
what distance are you doing again?
2.5.
Ah,
What should you be doing?
5.
chickened out, did you?
Yeah, Seebs.
All right, swimmers and supporters.
And supporters.
Yeah. Don't put me in that category.
You're a supporter.
today?
I'm here for a swim.
Ah.
As in a leisurely swim in the ocean, mind you. It's a
need
bit
to put
windy.
my jumper on.
It is windy.
If you don't have it, because you want to do it.
If you're just arriving on the beach, welcome. It is round 6 on the open water swimming series. Proudly presented by the city of Kilee. You will not be permitted.
Remember Trev? Yes.
Hey, how you going?
You're right.
Things like collect your race pack. What's in your race pack, you ask?
Oh, Kylie Giles, look, you managed to get them the right side up.
Yeah.
You made a bit of a mess of that one, eh?
Timing band.
You're busy GoProing.
Superstar. Are you doing the 10 today?
Timing band.
You gonna do any extra laps today?
Tattoos on both your arms.
Hopefully I can count today.
Best applied to
That's why you only do 2, then you
And
can't lose
this is a
count.
good day to be doing 7 laps, not 8.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, it's a good day to be doing 1 lap.
I'm doing no laps today.
I thought I saw your name on the list.
Yeah, rough.
A bit lucky.
You've got to get in the water without
And Kylie, yeah, no.
You feel bullied?
And Kylie, did you notice it's a beach finish? You don't get to finish in the water.
Serious?
Yep.
Fuck's sake. Do not
You got
video
this.
me.
Oh, you're definitely getting that.
No, do not. I'll I'll be very upset.
The right way.
And it's a bloody beach finish.
Yeah.
Devo.
Jackie just said. And look at the. Why would they do that?
She's dancing. There's only one Honda. She doesn't know her own name. She forgets, so she has to put it written on her head.
Yeah. Classic, vintage.
The vintage is very important. Group toilet run with their own toilet paper. Weirdos. So it's a 1.25 kilometres course starting from the pink boys just there, going that way. Can't see the other boys. And the number of laps you do depends on what distance you are doing. The girls are doing a 2.5k this time, so it's 2 laps. Did you like the advice on the water conditions by the...
Yeah, can I just review my finishing time?
Again?
Potentially just to whenever I finish. It's going to be a surprise.
If you're not finished by lunchtime, I'm leaving.
I was going to say, the text.
And you didn't get seasick from that. Oh.
Mr. Mark K.
How you going?
I'd shake your hand, but not now. How you going?
Yeah, good.
Excellent. How are we feeling, girls?
Ready? Ready and rearing. Ready to rock.
You got this.
That's 10.
Oh, it is 10.
Yeah, unfortunately.
No, I'm not swimming tonight.
I don't feel like it.
How you feeling?
Not good. And I don't like how it looks out there.
Get you onto the beach. Waiting on the sand, one at a time, going through. 4 laps for you.
You got this, man. Cutest couple on YouTube.
That's 4 fingers on one hand.
So they have one.
Get excited,
No,
Jen.
we don't need these bathers. Stop it.
Inspiring stuff. Let's get the man greens. You're a green cap, if you please. One at a time, please. Can we get our final swimmers into the water? If you found the beach,
Yeah. Thank you.
final call.
You got this. Love you.
2.5k women.
Good job, Jackie!
FOMO has set in. Big FOMO. Rhonda? Is this Rhonda? Looks like it. Oh, I don't think it is. Maybe it is. Go Hondi. Got this Rhonda. Go Rhonda! Pull it out your bum, Rhonda. Kylie. Kylie. Go Charlie.
Our gold medalist, Kate Crocker, in a time of 19 minutes and 54 seconds. Hard race, excellent race. Well done, girl.
Just dragged me around 2.5 K.
How rough was that?
Brutal. Absolutely brutal.
Big round of applause for our under 14.
It's hard trying to keep up with you coming in.
Get on to the under 18 category for the males. Bronze medal today goes to Eamon. 8 seconds. Well done, Eamon, Owen, and Sheldon.
You should have done the 5K. You did so well.
Sorento.
You're only just behind Rhonda. I keep picking your bathers out of your bum as you're getting out of the water. I've got that on film, sorry. Another open water series over. Hondi just missed out on the podium. Fourth.
Damn. You know, it's because I didn't have you in the water.
So third loser.
Third loser.
Kylie just missed out on a top 10, came 11th in her age group.
Yeah.
I don't think she's disappointed at all.
That's actually my first out of the top 10 all season. Oh.
Post-race interview.
Well, can I check my results first? And have a good look, and then I'll revert.
Alright, stand by.
Alright, so debrief. 2 massive positives. One, my first half I averaged 158 per 100, which is the fastest I've ever swum in the Ocean Series. We won't talk about the second half. And although I'm out of the top 10, which I'm very unhappy about, it is out of 30. So 11 out of 30, which is actually, from a percentage, I think the highest I've been. So, go me.
You don't need supporters, you've got yourself.
Thanks, fans. Hey, that's pretty good.